Hey, great day to you. In this video, I'm going to share with you the SmartScout login and sign in page. I see that many people are searching for that, so it's linked for you down in the description. So enjoy. And also, I'm going to share the sign up process for SmartScout with you with the best discount and coupon code possible so you can save money. Also, in the description, you're going to find a tutorial, a 42-minute tutorial with myself, Vova Evan. Great to meet you, Amazon seller, and Scott Nidam, the CEO and founder of SmartScout, where we show you how to make the most out of SmartScout. So I do hope it's going to be useful for you. So even if you're just looking for the sign in and login page, it's linking in the description for you. And so you can make more with SmartScout and hopefully do better. Plus, there's also going to be the sign up process now. So to sign up, check out the link in the description. It's going to lead you to this page, okay? And this page will also add a coupon code to your investment of SmartScout and the sign up process. Okay, the coupon code is WOVA25, 25% off for 3 months. It's an affiliate link, means that if you ever do business with SmartScout, I'm going to get a little commission from SmartScout at no extra cost to you. And this way you can support my free content though, and I'm truly grateful for that. So you save money with the basic essentials and business plan. Okay, so then you click on join the smartest sellers on Amazon. We're going to talk about the pricing now as well now of those tools and kind of those plans and how much you save. So click on join smartest sellers on Amazon. It's going to lead you to this sign up page. Input your full name, email address, password, make it a good one, and then phone number if you want. And how'd you hear about us? I would appreciate if you add my kind of name here, Vova Evan. Thank you. In this field, I'm an Amazon seller myself, and I've been sharing my journey here on YouTube since 2018. You can also find me at vovaevan.com on my blog with over, I think, 600 blog posts at this point for you about selling on Amazon. And there's a search option on the blog, so you're welcome to browse it and enjoy. So then once you do it, you click on submit, okay? And once you click on submit, you're going to get to the payment kind of place. There's no kind of free trial or free account of SmartScout. There's 7-day money back guarantee. But yeah, basically in this way, you can try it out. And there's basic, and then essentials and business plans, and also there's enterprise plan. Okay, so you can pay monthly, that's every month for SmartScout, and it's automatically applied here, the coupon code. Or if you're already here on the somehow on the sign up page and you just need a coupon code, that's the code VOVA25. Okay, 25% off for 3 months. So you save up some money here. Instead of 187 with the business, $140 or so. Instead of kind of 97, about $72 with the essentials, and with the basic is about, instead of 29, it's 21.75. So pretty good savings. With the yearly, you pay just one time per year. With the monthly, it's every month, and you end up saving even more. So instead of 348, it's 225 with the basic. With the essentials, instead of 1,164, $672. And with the businesses, instead of $2,244, you pay only $1,422. So pretty big savings in my opinion. Check it out. The link to the discount is in the description. Again, if you just need the login page, it's linking in the description for you. Sometimes we're searching for those login pages. There it is. Input your email, sign in, and enjoy. And again, if you want to sign up, check out this page. It's also going to be linked in the description for you. Sign up with a discount, and check out the video with Scott Nidam, the founder, where we show you how to use SmartScout in this 42-minute tutorial. I hope you find it useful, and I'm wishing you a great day. Good luck.